Dancehall Queen Colleen puts on a special charity fundraiser featuring Sizzla Kalonji. Sizzla! Celebrating tonight, but it's a double sword, you know. Also a fundraiser for your auntie. How you feel about the support and the turnout tonight?
The turnout is amazing. I'm so happy for her. I want to say happy birthday, Auntie Pinky. You are honestly my second mom.
Dancehall Queen Colleen, you're putting on a very special birthday bash / charity event today. Tell us a little bit more about why you decided to do this charity event for those who don't know.
Right, a continuation. I did Beanie and Bounty last year, Lena British. My sister Pinky, she has stage 4 cancer and the treatment continues and actually up more. So it's like we started with the chemo, we started the radiation, it never worked for her. I know I'm gone into something else.
Students, big up yourself. Come on, we go, G4 crew. First of all, I want to say a pleasant welcome to one and all. Big up yourself and thank you for supporting Pinky. Alright?
You're doing this event to raise funds to help your sister battle?
Most definitely, because it's very expensive, especially when you don't have insurance and don't care how much money you have. If you're doing these expensive treatment and continue and it's from one thing to the next, you're gonna need help, and I'm asking for the help.
A long time you have been in school, you never know. So we don't want to feed me, I say. Original good and God bless her. And they say, oh God bless, no man curse.
Alright, now we're here with the lady of the moment. Pinky, first of all, happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
How does it feel to be celebrating it in Jamaica right now?
I feel very happy when I'm in New York.
How do you feel to see the support? I hear so you've seen friends they haven't seen in like 30 years.
Yes, I know. I thank them very much for coming out for me. And them love me and I love them too. And I have a couple friends in New York and Jamaica Avenue, my hairstylist, them, all of them. And my bridging them on Jamaica Avenue, big them up, big up everybody.
Big up yourself, Colleen, Spider, baby Melanie. Hey, you're so lovely, I love you. So that's it, my friend.
I'm around a lot of people that love me and check for me, so I feel good. God first.
Happy birthday again.
And thank you very much.
Big enough love.
Yeah, big up.
Thank you, follow up on the stage again. I'm here for the racer. I represent all the banners of the world. Bless your family, bless your household. Bless your parents, shall bless their soul. Bless your friends, they must stand up and support you. If you don't have a good friend and do them things you feel, then they're real. Here we go, Jamaica. Hey, not you, but my father, 9 months he kept. All those pain and suffering. No one knows this of your boy, just only you. I want you to feel lonely, it's no time, you're never alone. Pick up your friends then.
Fresh off of the stage, one of our reggae and dancehall legends, Sizzla Kalonji. First of all, Kalonji, tell him why you didn't have to represent for Pinky tonight?
I don't know, it's a Pinky, you know, from Earth Angel Crew, Spider, Pinky, Colleen, Cadine, Debbie, and all of them. We tell about Tiger, we tell about Danicel and the whole crew, Augustone, we tell about Rabbitland, we tell about Ivy's Land, we tell about General, we tell about Art and them people there. Foundation, Pinky are one of the mothers out of the foundation. Pink from Augustone crew, from Augustone community. That means say Portmore, Augustone, big up on yourself same way. We have to support Pinky because them people are foundation, them people are help. Set the cornerstone for I and I as you do the music. And because I'm on singers and because I'm on DJs, great dancers, great crew. Team of women, big them up.